Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Sony ULT FIELD 5 speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily install and set up your speaker with your application. So, first we have to enter the Play Store and here we have to go into search. In the search bar we have to search for Sony Sound Connect. Before the whole process, before the whole process, I'd recommend to connect the speaker to your phone because it will make the whole process easier. We have to search for Sony Sound Connect, and this is this application. Here we have to tap install button to install our application. And now let's wait a moment. Here we have to now click open. And now we have to tap I read the above contents and agree. Here we have to enter our country or region and then start. Now we can tap agree and proceed. If you want to read that, you can. I won't. Agree and start using. Here OK. We have to allow for determining the position of our devices and Bluetooth connection. Now, if we're connected, our application will automatically register our product, which is Sony ULT FIELD 5. OK. Now we can sign into our account. We can do that, or we can do this later. Actually, it does nothing. You can just save your settings of your speaker and move it to the another phone, to another application. And if you accidentally delete your application, you can install it again and log into your account to restore your settings. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.